We have a Dogecoin special. Dogecoin is being listed on a major exchange, just like we called about 2 weeks ago in this video called Will Coinbase List Dogecoin. Yeah, there was hints back then. We went over the hints, and today we have official news that Dogecoin, Doge, is launching on Coinbase Pro. It says starting today on June 1st, which was yesterday, you are allowed to transfer your Doge into Coinbase Pro. And then on 9 a.m. PT time, Thursday, June 3rd, Doge will be listed as long as liquidity conditions are met, and we'll go over what pairs and what that all means. So they're going to have Doge USD, BTC, Euro, British Pound, and USDT. Remember, Coinbase, they always tell you they have 3 phases of listing, but really there's 4 phases. And I'll let you know about that secret 4th phase in just one second. But if you guys like this content, make sure you guys smack that subscribe button if you have not already. And of course, give this video a like. So the first phase is post only. Second phase is limit only, and then third phase, which they say is their final phase, is full trading, which means on Pro Coinbase you can trade it, you can do market orders, limit orders, whatever you want to do. But the fourth phase that they're not telling you is when they list it on on regular Coinbase, when they list it on Coinbase.com. So this happens, sometimes it happens a couple hours after liquidity conditions are met on Pro Coinbase. Sometimes it's a couple days later. So I would not be surprised. We're probably going to get liquidity conditions met very fast on Thursday. I'm anticipating that. And then once that happens, we will probably be on Coinbase within several hours. That is my prediction right there. I could be totally wrong. But look, right now, Dogecoin is the mover. Top 100 on crypto bubbles. Look at this one right here. Doge up 32.7% right there. That I don't see anything else up higher on the daily. That right there is looking amazing. I truly believe it'll probably have enough liquidity conditions to get met like right away, and then regular Coinbase, here we come. Which that's where all the normies are able to buy because it's just so simple to buy there. But you definitely want to learn how to use Pro Coinbase. Go down below in the description. There's a video on how to save on those terrible Coinbase fees and just the basics of Pro Coinbase. But we're also going to check out the price action. What is going on with the Doge? So what is interesting, we had a little like ASMR live stream last night, and we saw this trend line. It broke out looking very good on the daily. Also wanted to point, we are way above the 200 daily moving average. That right there is also very good to see. So that's good. Let's put the 200 away and let's go look at the MACD. Look at the MACD on the daily. This right here is extremely bullish. Let's get that cross. Let's start printing green on the histogram, just like we had green back here. Let's do the same thing here. If we can get that to cross and then get that positive momentum and continue with the positive momentum, that right there will be extremely bullish for the price action of the Doge. So since we're listing in, like tomorrow on June 3rd, we'll see if this positive momentum can continue, if we can still get this price action to continue rising. I mentioned last night I wanted to see us get above that 40 cent / 41 cent region on the Doge because of previous price action. Right now, we're holding up at 41.8 cents. That right there is very good with a peak of around 45 cents. So let's keep that pushing. Let's keep going. I'd love to see this daily close above 41 cents. That'd be very bullish. Just a start to see us continue rise in the Doge. But I do want to zoom into the 4-hour. See how we're looking there. So once again, very nice. We broke out. Let's zoom in here. We broke out of this downward trend line, and then when we broke out, we came back down, held it as support. That is very bullish right there. Held as support and then bounced off. That's exactly what we want to see. So now when we zoom out, we'll check out the MACD and the RSI. Right now on the 4-hour, it looks like on the MACD, we're cooling off a little bit. We had some nice positive momentum since May 30th, actually. Continuous positive momentum swinging back and forth. We're going down a little bit. We could swing right back up. Something that I do see with caution for just in the short term. This is not the long term. This is the short term. We have the RSI all the way up at 80. That right there is overbought territory. So some kind of pullback would not be surprising. It would not surprise me to see some kind of pullback. Hopefully, maybe we pull back, not going too far below 40 cents. Maybe we'll end up touching like 37 and bouncing back, something like that. As always, this thing could just continue and stay in the overbought territory because we are having that listing. But since it's listing tomorrow, sometimes some of that hype fades away. We could see a pullback and then bounce right back up on Thursday. That would actually be healthy. We don't want to just continue rising. Like, you don't want to see the RSI just continue rising like that. You don't want to see MACD just continue going up. You don't want to see the price action going parabolic, because the faster and the longer it stays parabolic, the harder and the faster it's going to fall. So in order to be extremely bullish on Doge, you want to see some kind of little bit of a pullback, maybe 37, 38 cents, and bounce right off that. I mean, even if it's only like 39 cents, that would definitely look great. Let's zoom into that 1 hour. We're really zooming in, seeing what is going on. Yeah, and that's with what I just said is correlating right here. We are cooling off on the 1 hour. We're about to get the cross, get some negative momentum, but this does not mean Doge is going to crash. It just means we're going to have a little bit of pullback, like I just mentioned. It's very healthy. Even the 1 hour, we've been overbought for a while now. So for the past several hours, a lot of hours right there. So I would definitely want to see that in order for us to see that next leg up later today / tomorrow, when it actually does list on Coinbase. So what do you guys think about that? Are you guys bullish on Doge? We may see a good buying opportunity in the next maybe 6 to 12 hours, but nonetheless, though, we are breaking out. That's looking good. All the normies that weren't into crypto that got in, unfortunately, I believe a lot of them bought in this territory because of Elon Musk with Saturday Night Live, and I hope that was not you. Hope you did not FOMO into that. We did call for that to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, and that is exactly what it was. So hopefully you did not get wrecked on that Saturday Night Live basically scam right there. So hopefully that did not happen. But right now, this is looking good. We're looking at the charts, looks very good. We know when Coinbase and regular Coinbase lists a coin, there's typically a decent amount of price appreciation. Even looking at, across the board right now, yes, Doge on the top 100 has the best daily increase of 32.3%. But across the board, all you see is green. You still have some that have 11% for Atom. OKB is 20%, DOT's at 15%. We're still looking good there. So as long as the market still continues to stay green, I definitely anticipate Doge to keep doing very well. Now, if we see Bitcoin take some kind of bullback, then that right there is not going to be good at all. Let's go pull up Bitcoin, currently at $38,200, which is very nice. We drew this right here on the live stream last night, and we want to hopefully break to the upside. Right now, we're definitely pushing that upward line right there. So hopefully we can break that. The odds are we'll probably get some resistance, but eventually we're going to break one way or the other. So let me know which way you think we'll break. I'm hoping it's to the upside. That would be extremely bullish. Let's get through that $42,000 region. We have positive momentum. We're pretty low on the RSI on the daily. So that right there is extremely bullish. Let's continue with that, okay? So let me know your thoughts down below. Are you excited that Dogecoin's now on Coinbase, going to also be on regular Coinbase? Are you excited for some price appreciation? We even have Bitcoin, positive momentum. Dogecoin is about to, just continue this positive momentum with the MACD getting the cross on the daily. Let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, thank you for tuning in today. Smack that subscribe button if you're new here. And of course, smack that like button if you guys like this content. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. But until then, may the gains be with you.